Hi Bentley, I got your email and looks like you've been busy. That's got lots in there. That's really great. I'm going to just show you how to put the restrictions on that assignment. So I'll show you, okay, first we'll start with going into the course content. And then let's scroll down to the course that we're working in. So it's the MAP. I think I have it all here, don't I? Yeah. Okay. So lesson 1 quiz, you want to make it conditional that they get 100% on that before they look at the hand-in questions. I think that's what you're asking in your email. So I've actually been in here already and set that up. So I'm going to show you what I did. So it's the lesson 1 hand-in questions that you want to make the restrictions on. So we'll go into edit properties in place, and I've already set up the conditions here, so I'm just going to open it up and show you what I did. So you go into create, and the condition type this time will be a mark on a quiz. So let's see if I can find quizzes, score on quiz. And so the quiz that we are talking about is the lesson 1 quiz. And then below that, you're going to see the criteria. So there's your criteria to choose from. And in this case, you want them to have exactly 100%. So we'll choose the equals criteria. And then below that, you can specify what you want them to get on the quiz. So we want 100% this time. And now, I think my iPad is, yeah. For some reason, it won't let me go back to that last button where I press OK and set that up. Not sure why that won't go away. So I'm just going to hit update, and that's going to set it so it tells you restrictions are saved successfully. So if it will let me go back, oh yeah, I can't get rid of my keyboard. Let's just go back for a minute here. Get rid of that. Or not. My iPad's being clunky. Let me see how I can go back. I think I can do it this way. Yeah, okay. So if I go back into Unit 1 now and I look at things in the menu, I can see Lesson 1 hand-in questions right here. And it says at the bottom here, receives equal to 100% on the quiz, Lesson 1 quiz. And so they have to have completed that quiz now before it will let them into that. Now you may not see that when you look at it under student view, because it would be specific to each student. And so you might actually have to be impersonating one of the students. So you do that by going into your class list, and if you pick the drop down beside their name in the class list, you can choose impersonate, and that lets you actually log in as them, and you can see their emails, you can see everything. So you would see what they see, and so for that particular student, you should see that this lesson 1 hand-in questions is hidden until they do the quiz. In that case, you might want to also sort of notify them that it is there, because I don't think they'll actually even see it. But you might want to experiment with that to see if they see it, but it says closed, or if it's actually hidden from the students, in which case you might want to let them know that they do need to complete that before they can move on to the second part of the lesson. So just email me anytime you have questions, and I've already set that up for you, but let me know if there's anything else that you need help with. Okay? Have a good weekend.